Helping a lost tourist.
You look a little worried. Can I help you?
Yes, please. I think I am lost.
No problem. Where do you want to go?
I want to go to the city museum.
I know that place. It is not very far from here.
That is good to hear.
Do you have a map on your phone?
Yes, but I do not understand it very well.
That is okay. I can explain the way.
Thank you. I really need your help.
Walk straight along this road for about 5 minutes.
Should I cross the street?
Yes, cross at the traffic lights.
All right. What do I do after that?
Turn left after you cross the street.
Turn left. Okay.
Then keep walking until you see a large park.
Will the park be on my right?
Yes, it will be on your right.
What should I do when I reach the park?
Walk past the park for about 2 minutes.
Is the museum near the park?
Yes, the museum is just after the park.
Is it easy to see?
Yes, it is a big white building.
That sounds easy to find.
There is also a large sign in front of the museum.
Great. I think I can find it now.
Do you like museums?
Yes, I love learning about new places.
Then I think you will enjoy this museum.
I hope so.
It is one of the most popular places in the city.
Is it better to walk or take a bus?
Walking is the best choice. It is close.
About how long will it take?
Around 10 minutes if you walk at a normal speed.
That is not far at all.
If you have any trouble, you can ask another person on the way.
Thank you for being so kind and helpful.
You are very welcome. Have a great visit.
Thank you. Have a wonderful day too. Losing a hotel room key.
Excuse me, I need some help.
Good evening. How can I help you?
I think I lost my hotel room key.
I am sorry to hear that. What is your room number?
My room number is 305.
Thank you. Can I see your ID, please?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Let me check your details.
I am a little worried. I cannot find my key.
Don't worry, it happens sometimes.
I was in the hotel lobby a few minutes ago.
Okay, did you check your pockets and bag?
Yes, I checked everything.
No problem. I will give you a new key.
Thank you so much.
First, I need to confirm your booking.
Sure, take your time.
Yes, I found your reservation.
That is good news.
Your name is Jackson, correct?
Yes, that is me.
Perfect. I will make a new room key for you.
How long will it take?
Just a few minutes.
Okay, I will wait here.
Do you remember where you last used the key?
I think I used it near the elevator.
Maybe it fell there.
I will check there after this.
Good idea. Here is your new key card.
Oh, thank you. That was fast.
You are welcome. Please be careful with it.
Yes, I will try.
You can keep it in your wallet.
That is a good idea.
Do you want a second key card?
Yes, that would be helpful.
I will make another one for you.
Thank you for your help.
You are welcome. It is ready now.
Great. Now I feel better.
Always keep your key in a safe place.
I will remember that.
If you lose it again, just come to reception.
I will. Thank you for your kindness.
No problem. Enjoy your stay at the hotel.
Thank you. Have a nice evening.
You too. Goodbye. Buying household items.
Hello. I need to buy some household items for my apartment.
Welcome. I can help you. What do you need today?
I need a broom, a mop, some trash bags, and dish soap.
Great. We have all of those items in this store.
Good. Can you show me the brooms first?
Of course. These brooms are on this shelf.
I see two different kinds. What is the difference?
This one is light and simple. That one is stronger and lasts longer.
I think the stronger one is better.
Yes, many customers like this one.
How much is it?
It is $15.
That sounds fair. I will take it.
Great choice. Now let's look at the mops.
I want a mop that is easy to use.
This mop has a long handle and a soft mop head.
Can I wash the mop head?
Yes, you can remove it and wash it many times.
Nice. I like that. I will take this mop too.
Good. Now here are the trash bags.
There are many sizes. Which one should I buy?
How many people live in your apartment?
Just me.
Then these medium-sized trash bags are a good choice.
How many bags are in one box?
There are 30 bags in each box.
That is enough for me.
Would you like one box or two?
One box is fine for now.
No problem. Now let's look at the dish soap.
Which one smells nice?
This lemon one is very popular. Many people like the fresh smell.
I like the smell of lemons too.
Then I think you will enjoy this one.
Is it good for removing grease?
Yes, it cleans dishes very well.
Perfect. I will buy one bottle.
Do you need anything else, like paper towels or cleaning cloths?
Oh yes, I almost forgot. I need a pack of paper towels.
Here you are. Is this pack okay?
Yes, it looks good. Thank you for your help today.
You're welcome. Please take these items to the checkout counter.
Thank you. I am happy I found everything I needed.
Reporting a workplace accident.
Good morning. I need to report an accident.
Good morning. What happened?
I had a small accident at work.
Are you okay now?
Yes, I am fine. It was not serious.
That is good to hear. Please sit down.
Thank you.
Can you explain what happened?
I was working near the storage area.
Okay, go on.
I slipped on the floor.
Was the floor wet?
Yes, I think it was wet.
I understand.
I tried to stop, but I fell.
Did you hurt yourself?
Just a small pain in my arm.
Did you go to the medical room?
Yes, I went there first.
Good. Did they give you treatment?
They checked me and said I am fine.
That is important.
I feel okay now.
When did this happen?
About 1 hour ago.
Thank you for reporting it quickly.
I wanted to inform you right away.
That is the correct action.
I was a little worried.
There is no need to worry now.
Okay.
Do you remember if there was any warning sign?
No, I did not see any sign.
We will check that area.
That is good.
Safety is very important here.
Yes, I agree.
I will write an incident report.
Okay.
Please give me your full details.
Sure.
Thank you.
I think the floor should be cleaned more often.
I will inform the cleaning team.
That will help.
Did you lose any working time because of this?
Only a few minutes.
That is fine.
I went back to work after checking myself.
Good responsibility.
I always try to be careful.
That is important in workplace safety.
I will be more careful next time.
Please also report any unsafe areas immediately.
I will remember that.
Do you need any further medical help?
No, I feel okay now.
Good.
This was a small accident, but scary.
Yes, but you handled it well.
Thank you.
I will also inform the safety manager.
Okay.
They may inspect the area today.
That is good.
Please sign this report form.
Sure, I will sign it.
Thank you. Everything is recorded now.
I appreciate your help.
Take care and be careful at work.
I will. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Stay safe.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.